protect yourself from cancer by mixing these 3 ingredients. According to the renowned American doctor, Carolyn Anderson, there is a recipe which can help you in the fight against cancer. She released this recipe consisted of only 3 ingredients which are so powerful that can prevent the development of cancer. Believe it or not, but this 2,000 years old recipe coming from the east of India, which efficacy was tested and confirmed by various studies and researches in Western medicine, can prevent the occurrence of this deadly disease. Anderson says that, if turmeric and the 2 ingredients listed below are consumed on a daily basis, the possibilities of developing cancer are almost nil. Needed ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, ½ teaspoon of olive oil, a large pinch of freshly ground pepper. Method of preparation: it is quite simple. All you have to do is to mix the ingredients and the amazing mixture is ready for use. You can take it directly or simply add it in various dishes like salads and soups. However, you need to know that this mixture should not be cooked, just add it in the end of the preparation of your meals. If you take it directly, combine it with some water. Why this mixture is so powerful against cancer? The reason for its efficacy lies in the presence of turmeric. Turmeric is the component of curry which provides a yellowish color. It displays potent anti-inflammatory features, and it is one of the most powerful root on the planet that can naturally reduce inflammation. This great potency comes from the content of a powerful ingredient named as curcumin. Many studies were conducted on the ability of turmeric to fight cancer, and it was revealed that it is highly effective against various types of cancer like the colon, prostate, breast and brain cancer. Furthermore, experiments on mice which were exposed to carcinogenic chemical substances shows that consumption of turmeric can entirely prevent the development of cancer. Dr. Anderson maintains that not only turmeric is effective against the development of cancer, but as well as it has the ability to destroy carcinogenic cells.